not doing here at MarineMax at Dallas. But we're going to check out a brand new Sea Ray SDX 290. So the 290 has a full width swim platform with a flip down insert on the back. Of course, sun pad, on the back of the boat as well. Cushion all the way over here does lift up for getting you access to storage underneath. Sorry about all the road noise, it's just loud out here. So, wraparound seating. Back in the back corner, there is a built-in Kenyan grill, sink, as well as an isotherm refrigerator. Also, built-in ice box on the side, so really nice. Just turn that on, drop in your drinks and your ice, and you're good to go. LED lighting throughout the entire boat. Water sports tower with Fusion power speakers. The other thing everyone seems to like about this boat is it just has a really nice big Bimini top, especially for a 29-foot boat. Moving over the helm area, it does have a 12-inch SIMRAD screen, so that's going to give you your color chart plotting, downscan sonar, GPS. Fusion stereo with Fusion speakers throughout the boat. Also subwoofer and amplifier hidden underneath the captain's seat. This boat was ordered with a vacuum flush head and a head interior upgrade. The cushion that you see in there is actually a filler cushion that fills in this entire section up front to make one big nice sun pad for everybody. Twin speakers up front and fully upholstered. And of course, windlass as well. Other thing that's really nice, flip down bolsters, and when you flip these seats this way, it gives you this big wraparound seating for the entire cockpit of the boat. Really nice layout, and the boat is yacht certified. So as long as you have room for everyone's butt to be in a seat while you're moving, it's up to the captain's discretion on how many people you can have. So nice boat. We're excited to have it. We hope you're excited to see it. If you have any questions on this or any other boats we have in stock, pick up the phone and give us a call, or better yet, stop in the showroom. We look forward to talking to you.